Hello everyone, it's Venkatesh here. So many of you bought Affiliate Easy. So Affiliate Easy helps you doing ClickBank affiliate marketing, right? But many of them ask me queries about how to promote Warrior Plus products or JVJO products, right? So this video I'm going to show you how you can promote Warrior Plus products, right? Warrior Plus products and offers, right? So to get started, let me show you how you can link approval from Warrior Plus and start promoting as an affiliate, right? So I'm going to log in with one of my Warrior Plus account. So if you don't have any Warrior Plus account, it's absolutely free for affiliates, right? So you can sign up as an affiliate there, right? So once you logged in, you can see the top products, right? So in the friend homepage it will show some top 10 products, right? Top 10 products for today, right? So like that you can see various offers which is converting well, right? So today and yesterday perks convert really well, right? So like that you can uh, find the quality and good quality and highly converting products, right? So like that you can start selecting the product, right? So let me show you how you can um, apply as an affiliate, right? So these are the highly converting products, right? So to request as an affiliate, see, you can see request something, right? So right now perks is doing well, so you can request as an affiliate, right? So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can promote affiliate easy, right? Some of you already bought, so it's easy for you to sell, right? So this is the affiliate easy offer, right? So I will give you the link for affiliate easy request. So if you want to promote, you can promote affiliate easy in the YouTube video description, right? There you can go to that page and you can request as an affiliate, right? So that's how you can become affiliate for affiliate easy, right? So now I'm picking one product and show you how you can apply for this one. So right now I'm requesting requesting as an affiliate for auto profit sites, right? So click here, request approval, right? So when you are a beginner, there is less chance to get approval, right? Because uh, they have something called affiliate score, and some other statics, right? They will check each and everything to approve as an affiliate, right? So when you are get started, that time you don't have any sales history or anything, right? So it's really difficult to you know get the link approved by vendor, right? So I will show you uh, what is affiliate score as well, and another thing is I will show you how you can get approval from vendor, right? So this is the request notes part. Here you have to write it like give me a minute. um, I have a targeted 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 audience um, in my email list. So I can send you high traffic, send you quality traffic to your affiliate, to your product or offer, something to your offer, or to your product, to your offer is better, I guess. I'm a super affiliate in ClickBank, but but in Warrior Plus plus um plus I'm a newbie, something like that. See, so these kind of script works really well, right? So when I get started, I use this technique, right? Telling I'm a super affiliate in Clickbank, but for this platform I am newbie, something like that, because you want to, you don't have any sales history in Warrior Plus, right? So this kind of you know request method helps you get the approval from vendor, but this is not enough, right? So right now I'm requesting this offer. So this is not only enough, you have to contact that vendor, right? For this product, vendor is Klimkaski. So you can, below you can see contact vendor or something, right? So here, I think here in this page there is no vendor details, I guess. So click view JV page, right? So it will take you to JV page. In JV page you can, um, find the vendor contact details, right? At the below bottom you can see the vendor contact detail, right? Let me show you. So you already requested for the link, so get it approved, you have to contact the vendor, right?
What's going on, guys? Glenn here, back once again. Very quick launch announcement. Wednesday the 5th of August, we are going live with Auto Profit Sites. And it would be absolutely awesome to have all of you guys, our loyal JVs, affiliate partners, to promote this launch, because we believe it's going to be a blockbuster.
So in every JV page at the bottom you can see the vendor detail, either it's a, Skype or Facebook, profile will be there. You have to, connect with that vendor, and you can request him for get the approval, right? I will give you the
What's going on, guys? Glenn here, back once again. Very quick
I will
launch
give you the
announcement. Wednesday the 5th of August, we are going
script
live
also
with
in the
Auto Profit
description, YouTube
Sites.
description.
And
You
it
can
would be
use that
absolutely
as well
awesome to have all
if
of
you
you
want,
guys, our loyal
right? Otherwise
JVs,
you can
affiliate
make
partners,
your own.
to promote this
See,
launch, because we believe
they
it's going
have
to be a
given the
blockbuster. It's going to
Skype
convert
handle.
extremely
So
well. So if you can send some
Klimkaski is the
traffic,
product
you're going to get
vendor
paid, and you're
for
going to be
auto
providing
profit
your
sites, right?
customers, your
So
tribe,
click
with an awesome
Skype,
products which you're going to be able to
right?
use,
It will
generate
take you
traffic,
to the
generate leads, and generate sales with.
you know
Now, over the past few weeks since my last launch, I have
it
been
will take
promoting
you
my
to the
loyal affiliates, as always, like I
thing,
do
right?
all year
So
round,
that's how you
getting
can,
hundreds
connect with that
of
vendor,
sales
and
for
you
pretty
can,
much every
ask him
single
to
launch that I've
approve
promoted. So if you could support our
approve
launch,
your
send a
request,
trickle of
right?
support, whatever
So
you can do,
that's how you can,
I will
build a
reciprocate you.
relationship
I
with
will
the
send
vendor, and
traffic
you can,
and sales to your
start
launch.
to
Now, you should see on
the
the screen
product, right?
somewhere here, there's going to be some of
So
my most recent
how
results
easy it
as
is,
an
but
affiliate, and I want to do exactly the same for
remember
your
one
launch.
thing:
So as I said,
everything is
please
a
give me the
beginning.
opportunity. Please, if you could
So
support our launch, I will look at your launch, and the odds are
40
I'm
sales,
probably going
20
to promote,
sales
because
in a
I pretty much
referral,
promote
then there is
everybody
no need
I
to
possibly can, and I
ask
love
the vendor
reciprocating. I
to
love sending
approve you.
hundreds of
The
sales to my
vendor come
affiliate
to you
partners.
and
So that's
ask you to
exactly
promote, right?
what I
So
do
that's how
every single day. So if you can support us,
once you
I've
build
got your
the
back in the
relationship,
future,
once you
no
build your
questions asked.
affiliate
Now, also,
account,
Profit Sites
everything
goes
will
live
be
on
easy.
Wednesday, the 5th of
So
August on
let me show
Warrior
you
Plus.
how
It's a cloud-based
they
app
will take
which
affiliate support, right?
automatically creates your
So
customers, your tribe,
I'll
a
show you that as well,
done-for-you website,
how
and kind of like
affiliate
mini
support
funnel
works and
around this
everything, right?
website, with the
So
aim
once
to
you go
promote
to my account,
recurring
you
products
can
which all marketers need.
see
So your customer
summary,
is going to be
right?
promoting this done-for-you website,
Like
which
account
we've already
summary.
created. We've created the content, we've created the video, everything on this
Here at the
website.
bottom you
All
can
your
see
people have to do is enter their affiliate links, and their website is pre-populated to promote all of these recurring